What is going on YouTube? Tom here. God, I just love the sound of this car. So I'm about to go for a little drive here. Get this back out of my way temporarily. And the good old Mustang. So, last vlog I posted, I told you all how I just got access to Adobe Creative Cloud. So mainly Adobe Lightroom, Photoshop, and Adobe Premiere Pro. And I have access to a bunch of other stuff. I'm like, I don't even know what half of them do. Those are the big three I really wanted. So I'm happy with that. Of course, for free, because I'm a student. It's funny, because actually, if you approve your request, like, I'm a student, I need it for class. I was like, what are they going to do if they deny my request? Maybe that's me assuming the worst and stuff, but, of course, they approved it. Didn't see why they wouldn't, but, oh well. So, I may even attempt to edit this vlog on this video with Adobe Premiere. I'm tempting. It's tempting. Just do something different, try to challenge myself. But for sure, I'm going to take some photos here that I'm going to definitely edit with Lightroom. At least one of which I know I'm going to turn in as an assignment for class. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm actually filming on the GoPro once again, just because I want to save the camera battery for pictures. But yesterday, I went and took a drive with the Mustang. I did it for lunch. I was like, well, let me just take the Mustang out, have some fun with it. And of course, I found some spots. I said, you know, that'd be a really cool photo spot. So that's what I've decided to do. Is I'm going to go back to one of the spots, and I'm just going to take pictures of it. So I guess I'll see you all when I get to this photo spot. All right, not many people here. This is kind of the first photo spot. It's kind of annoying. I was intending to take it in a different spot, but of course there are a couple semis parked on either side of where I'm looking to take a picture at. And I probably still will take a picture there at some point, just trying to crop the semis out. It's like, man, I say that would be a good photo spot, and then someone decides to ruin it. It's kind of the same when you set up a tripod and you're like, I'm going to take a picture of this over here, and then somebody walks in front of the frame. It's just like, people. Don't do that. Anyway, I'm about to just get out of the car here, and I think we're going to take the first picture. Or pictures. Hopefully no one starts coming by. It's a narrow bridge area. Alright, it's pictures for... Alright, got some pictures for spot number 1 here. Luckily no cars came by. It's always a plus. Might as well attempt spot number 2, the one I was talking about, where there's semis. It's kind of annoying that they do that, but I should be able to at least figure something out and get a decent picture or pictures there. Alright, spot number 2. Originally intended to go on that side, but as you can see, people decide to use this as a place to park semis all of a sudden. It's like, man, why? Why here? What? It's like telepathy. It's like people said, man, this looks like a good photo spot. Let's ruin it with semi-trucks. Oh well, gonna get out of the car. I'm gonna take some more pictures here. I love how when you're scoping out a good spot and it's like cars don't drive by for days at a time, and then as soon as you go to take pictures, that's when they all want to drive by. So just my luck with that one, but oh well. I think I took one with this trailer in the background. I'm gonna own that one artistically. It's kind of the professor this photography class likes to say. So we'll see. I got one more spot in mind I'll go ahead and use if nobody's there. I actually see a police truck go by. Probably gonna get going here in a second just because I don't like it when I see police vehicles. Sometimes people like to get suspicious. It's like, he's got a camera, he's up to no good. So I'm gonna get going on the road here. I'll check in with you when I get to this last photography spot. All right, this final photo spot I had planned in my head. This should work as a good photo spot. Surprisingly active. I thought there wasn't much going on here. There's still not a lot, but shouldn't be bad. I don't see many cars. The good news is this was sort of like an urban 2-lane type thing. Good news is I'm in sort of like a little drop-off lane, so I shouldn't be blocking traffic. I hope not anyway, because people around here love to just get pissed off for no reason when you block their way. I'm trying to get out of the way. I try to be considerate. It even says no, I think no drop-off, pickup, and U-turns. It doesn't say photography, so I don't know. I don't plan to spend forever here. Oh well, I'm gonna get started. Don't. All right, ended up kind of moving a couple times here within the spot. It's a lot hotter right here than it is in the country. It's like country to town, not even 10 minutes apart from one another. And it's just a lot hotter right here. I'm about to just get up to this red light here, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and try out those last 2 photo spots I was talking about. You know what? They're there. While I've got the time and the opportunity to do it, I might as well go ahead and try them out. Having some fun with this car. I don't know, I think I'm gonna post a lot more of this on Instagram once I'm done editing them. So definitely, if you're not already, follow me on Instagram. And again, the link is down below in the description. So please, I'm trying to get that more followers, and also I want to get that to a more professional level. Alright, I think I'm just going to go ahead and call it. Got a bunch of pictures I'm going to just have to sift through. It is hot today. Whoa. Yeah, I had an idea of using the building next door to this one. Looks like it's not really abandoned, but no one's there. And unfortunately, they got it fenced off, and this one just doesn't have the right vibe. I think I might do one more kind of lap around the street here, just see what else is here. Cop car. I'm just trying not to look like too suspicious. The problem is I don't trust people. Here in Florida, I feel like a lot of people are very suspicious of everyone else, so I must drive around, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I'll probably post within the vlog some pictures I've taken. We'll see about that, but definitely I know a lot of final works are gonna go on Instagram. So again, Instagram as always is in the description below. It helps out a lot. I want to try to grow that, because in turn I know growing that will help people find the Instagram and then find the YouTube channel. On top of that, I really have enjoyed photography. I know for a fact if I can get good enough, I could eventually maybe possibly get into this for real, not necessarily just doing it for myself, but take on paid clients and actually try to really get into photography. That's something I've always really wanted to do, and I'm actually kind of glad I finally have the opportunity to do it. Better camera, better editing equipment. Another cop car here. Hopefully, oh, he's pulling somebody over. Oh boy, it's gonna be one of those days. It's not me, so I'm fine with that. I just see cops all driving around. But anyway, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this, and if anyone's interested in possible paid photography work and you're in the Tampa, Florida area, hit me up. I'd be interested to hear what you all have in terms of ideas and locations and stuff like that, because definitely want to get into this more. So hit me up if you want to know more about this. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. I know it's been all over the place, but hopefully I just want to show you all this is what I've been up to. So if you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. More with this car is definitely coming, because y'all can see the pictures of this car. I'm really happy with it. I love it so much, I'm taking a bunch of pictures to show everybody how much I love it. But anyway, take care, have a good day.